Hello everyone, welcome to Munira Shine Academy. We are learning square and square roots. In this video, we will learn few properties of square numbers. So to start with, the first property, it says that any square number always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Okay, let us see. Suppose we have a number 1. Square of 1 is 1, that is, it ends with 1. If I say square of 4 is 16, it ends with 6. If I say square of 3, that is 9, it ends with 9. Square of 5 is 25, which ends with 5. If I say square of 10, that is equal to 100, that ends with 0. So, square of any numbers will end either with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. There is no perfect square which have a number at unit place as 8, or say a number 28 is not a perfect square. If I say we have a number 257, so check out the unit place, it is 7 and 7 does not matches the property, so 257 is not a perfect square. If I say I have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is a very big number, but if I have to check whether it is a perfect square or not, we will only check the unit place number, that is 7, and it does not match with the property, so this is also not a perfect square. Okay, so this is the first property which says that any number, any perfect square ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. The second property says that square of a even number is always positive and square of an odd number is also always positive. Okay, so a square of any number, any integer, be it positive or negative, square will always be positive. For example, 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16, and minus 4 square is minus 4 into minus 4, which is again 16. So the square is always positive. Now the third property, it says that number of zeros at the end of a perfect square are always even. Okay, so if we have a perfect square, we can check whether the number of zeros at the end are even or odd. For example, if I say 100 is the perfect square of 10, that is 10 square is 100. Number of zeros here are 2, that is even. So 100 is a perfect square. Suppose I say 10, is 10 a perfect square? The number of zeros in 10 is only 1, that is odd. Since the number of zeros is odd, it is not a perfect square. Suppose I say I have a number 27000. Here we have 3 zeros, that is odd, so it is not a perfect square. If I have a number 10000, that is 4 zeros. 4 is even number, so even number of zeros make it a perfect square. So the third property says that number of zeros at the end of a perfect square are always even. There are more properties to learn. I will be explaining them in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.